Hello dear educator, welcome back once again English medium in the class, and we are started the session of figure of speech. In there, number of the figure of speech already we are discussed. Today in this class, and we are going to cover few more figure of speech. Let me say, what is the name of that? We can call euphemism. Euphemism. This is the exact pronunciation of this word. Euphemism. Euphemism under the object or event which is ordinarily considered a most important specific the point which you have to keep in your brain. What is that? Unpleasant, disagreeable. Object, yeah, we can call event, both are, which is ordinarily considered unpleasant and disagreeable. You have to just keep in your brain euphemism under object or event which is orderly the considered unpleasant or disagreeable. In this situation, and if is there any figure of a speech if you want to use here, then let me I say there is a correct place. He is telling as a fairy tale, but it is a lie. It is a lie. He is telling us a fairy tale. A lie you are saying. He is fallen asleep. It means that he is dead. I will give you one more example. Passed away. You will say passed away. Passed away. Instead of died. Instead of died. You will say passed away instead of died. You will say he is telling us a fairy tale. This is a lie. A lie. He is a fallen asleep. It means that he is a dead. You will say the passed away instead of the dead. Same things, but in a double sense. Passed away in the sense of dead, you can say. Yeah, he is telling us a fairy tale. It can be lie. He is a fallen asleep means he is a dead. So where is euphemism under? You have to just use these terms to understand and utilize to them. Thank you. Have a nice day.